What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
What Hapdeng ke jing ther jur uslam, ke jing penkut yak lehniam Durga Puja hakshno Nartiang, West Giant Hills District. Kajaka kabala nyaw kentang da kiriw ngej Hindu, kabala tip kung ke Nartiang Shakti Pit, kalalong kabasyongkun bat iphieng, da ka jingwanya shimbentag spakngot kiriw ngej na keleng ke district, bat kumju na bar ke jela. Ya ka di ka lehniam puja kaba pendek da kiriw ngej penar, kasedang na mandir, hakabau pandit uoni maskut deshmukh, ulara marwe ya kabli Durga, kabalas na hakadur joka pasyor kan na du na mandir sa du wa mentang haka jinsanan lang udeloy ki pator lingdo bat kat tu kaningot kiriwngen Hindu latno ki kintay haka ni kasngila pendep ru ya lehniam shat masti da udeloy ki ilaka Nartiang salong lamare ringkat bat ki pator bat ki lingdo jong ka ilaka haswa ban pengam ya kablay Durga kaladan shwa ka jing lehniam harut ketika wa kabalakinya da ublang kensai bat hadin katay na pelat saya kaparo.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.